Are you overwhelmed by juggling multiple projects? Discover how Wrike can streamline your processes. With Wrike, marketing campaigns become seamless. Create dedicated folders for each client and track performance on shared dashboards. All your assets? They stay organized in one place. Launching a product? Use our handy template to kickstart your launch. Build a dynamic timeline, ensuring your teams align on key activities for a smooth release. In IT and engineering, Wrike provides unrivaled visibility into your project portfolio. Capture crucial budget information and identify potential risks. Keep your stakeholders informed every step of the way. Tackling a complex project? Our template breaks it down into 5 clear stages. Monitor progress across phases and adjust as needed for successful delivery. Recently, Wrike enhanced its website search using Google's Vertex AI. This means a better experience for users. However, users should be cautious with their search inputs. Generative AI can yield unexpected results. Avoid submitting explicit or sensitive content. Rest assured, Wrike and Google do not use your search inputs for advertising. However, some activities might be stored via cookies in line with our privacy policy. You can delete cookies through your browser settings. Remember, Wrike's search service isn't intended for personal or sensitive data. Stay mindful of what you input. Ready to elevate your project management? Try Wrike today and see the difference.